Hello everyone! Today you will see how we use the word czy in Polish. The first situation in which we use it is yes-no questions. It replaces the inversion. Let's take a simple phrase now and we'll turn it into a yes-no question. Elizabeth is a good photographer. Elżbieta jest dobrym fotografem. Now the English question is Elizabeth a good photographer? The Polish version of this question won't be jest Elżbieta dobrym fotografem. The correct way is taking the phrase as it was as positive, and all we have to do is adding czy at the beginning. It gives us czy Elżbieta jest dobrym fotografem? Let's see other examples. Do you know who I am? Czy wiesz kim jestem? Czy wiesz kim jestem? Here we have the word kim, which means who, but in the instrumental case. Just for you to know, the same question can be expressed without czy at the beginning. We need only the interrogative accent at the end of the phrase, which gives us wiesz kim jestem, and we already understand it as a question. Another function of this word is when we have a choice or a hesitation. Are you Polish or British? Jesteś Polakiem czy Brytyjczykiem? Don't confuse it with lub or albo, which would be rather in a positive statement. Jesteś Polakiem albo Brytyjczykiem. In a question it stays as czy. Do you want me to water the flowers or clean the room? Chcesz, żebym podlał kwiaty czy posprzątał pokój? The third function is introducing a subordinate clause, the way we do it with the word if or whether. I don't know if you like it, but I do. Nie wiem, czy to lubisz, ale ja tak. Another phrase. Do you remember if I closed the house? Pamiętacie, czy zamknąłem dom? Pamiętacie, czy zamknąłem dom? That's all for this video. I hope you liked it and see you soon.